This video will provide an overview of all the available options in the cookie consent app. The settings screen contains two settings. The first one is an endpoint where you can save users' choices. This is optional. The second option is a duration for which you want to save the user's settings. After you make a change, you will have to hit the save settings button. There's also a guide for storing the user consent, which you can view from this link right here. Next, we have scripts page. The scripts page determines how you want to load the scripts in your page. The first option is Flow Apps Script Manager. The second option is Google Tag Manager. If you are using Google Tag Manager, you will have to add your Tag Manager ID here and then click this link to view the guide on how to configure Tag Manager. The other option is Flow Apps Script Manager. For this option, you can just add your application IDs here, for example, Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel or TikTok Pixel or any other platform that you're using. Right now, we have only two options, which are Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, but stay tuned for other platforms. Next, we have templates. All of these templates are premium templates. You'll have to have a license to use any of these. You can preview a template by clicking this button. You can copy a template by clicking this button. For license page, if you don't have a license, you can click here and then get a license and then come back to this screen, paste your license here and then click activate. The next page is help. On this page, you will find link to tutorials such as this one. And then the last screen is feedback, where you can add your email and then send us some feedback so that we can improve our app.